We're installing a saturated buffer today on a piece of property. It's a native prairie property, so it's land that's taken out of production and suits the purpose perfectly. There's about 20 to 25 acres of agricultural land above it that drains to the creek at the bottom of the hill. We've taken that tile, we've intercepted it, put a water control structure in with a series of gates. So we effectively cut off that tile and diverted into a new tile that we've extended 500 feet across this farm. It's on the level or on grade, so water is dammed up on the existing tile and pushed into that tile that runs parallel to the slope, and effectively most of the water that runs through that tile drainage system will now filter into that tile and dissipate into the soil as opposed to having a free outlet to the creek. In essence, it's going to reduce the flow and help a little bit with water quantity and flooding, and also with water quality, because any nutrients in that water will be put into the soil as opposed to allowing outlet to the creek.